Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. We're going to work.
I don't really give a damn about the way you touch me when we're alone. You can hold my hand away. And I'm not.
It's time to go home. Hi, guys. We're going to school for afternoon class. Kasama ko si Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, guys. Sama kay nanay ang baby. Okay. Hawak ka lang dyan, ha? Seatbelt naman siya. And safe. Mabagal lang naman kami. And pantay lang naman. Oh, there's a jeep. Punta na muna kami ni Kuya. Where are we going? To school. Are you happy today? Yeah? Hold ka lang din, ha? Okay? Hi, Kuya. Okay, please stand here. Hello, guys. What will you do when we get inside? Are you going to follow and write? Okay? Going to behave there? Down faster, faster. Jump! Here, here. You wait for me there, okay? Okay? You stand there, okay? I will close. No, it's not raining. Be careful. What will you say? Hello, guys. Where are we going?
How?
Bye, school. Aldini.
Bye, good.
Bye, school. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Did you miss Daddy? Yes? Oh. Hi, guys. Thursday na.
Bye, good.
Bye-bye, school. Andito kasama yung anak ko. Anak! Pauwi na kami ngayon. What? Nanay lang, sama si nanay. Sino yung hindi kasama?
Daddy.
Sino yung hindi kasama, anak?
Daddy, no baby.
Oy, naiwan sila. Saan sila naiwan?
How?
How? Do you know how to count? Count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ano siya?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
May kahalo ng letters. Uwi na tayo? Lake, hold ka dyan. Gia. Gia. Busog ka talaga. Bunsoy. Bunsoy. Gianni. Kenny. Gianni. Kenny.